Before I start this idea of a video, I need a lip liner because I don't have lips at the moment. And I have this new lip liner that, if you follow me on Instagram and you follow me on YouTube, you see that they're happening at the same time. So you see that I posted this lip liner and now you're seeing the video format of me using the same lip liner. And it's in the same day. Kind of cool, right? It's kind of like a metaphor for everything is happening at the exact same time. But I've never tried a nude lip liner before. I know that's like blasphemy to the makeup community. This is Jason Wu in Don't Look at Me, I think. Let me check. Oh, Leave Me Alone. I thought it was Don't Look at Me. It's Leave Me Alone. That's kind of like the reason why I bought it, because the name was so cool. Once you start drawing things or making YouTube videos or even writing your own captions for your Instagram posts, you see that the world is just a title and you can title anything you want. And the title that you pick or caption that you pick is going to be distinct to you and your personality. So what would you name your lip liner? I would name one of mine. Oh. I would name, I don't know how to do this. Is this the sharpener? Okay. I would name one of my lip liners Better on You. Like the lip color is gonna look better on the person that you're kissing. So that would be one color. Another color would be Make Me Sweat. Make Me Sweat would be a pink. Like, I don't even know where that came from. If you could, okay, this is like too creamy because, or maybe I just have a forceful touch, which I do in life, so that wouldn't be shocking. Or maybe I'm just listening to too much Lindsay Lohan and Kelly Clarkson at the moment, and I could feel the angst and aggressiveness. Listen to Lindsay Lohan's second album, More Personal (parentheses Raw). That is a freaking Kelly Clarkson album, is it not? That it sounds like the songs are like written for Kelly Clarkson, and it's not surprising because I read that when Kelly Clarkson was making her second album, My December, her A&R guy and her production team at her music label wanted her to do a more pop route like Breakaway. But she wanted to do her first I'm a Artist album. This is my perspective, this is what I have to say, very second album. So she went that way instead, but they wanted to give her the songs that Lindsay Lohan took for her second album to Kelly Clarkson, but Kelly Clarkson said no. She wanted to stick to her guns and to her gut, which if you listen, I like that album too. You should listen to it. My favorite songs off My December are, I kind of forgot every single song at the moment, but I love any Kelly Clarkson album. I haven't listened to anything after Stronger because Stronger is like the best album ever created. It's super pop culture. If I could tell you to listen to one album that you're gonna take away from me lip lining my lips, it's Stronger by Kelly Clarkson. I love You Can't Win. Run to that song. You'll run away so fast that your legs will break. I love You Can't Win. I love Mr. Know-It-All, Dark Side. Every single track on there was crafted to be big and huge. And when you have Kelly Clarkson's voice, you can do anything. But that's why when you listen to Lindsay Lohan's album, you can imagine Kelly Clarkson singing those songs. Like, they're so simple that they're for Kelly Clarkson, and it's ironic that they were. Listen to both of them. Listen to Kelly Clarkson first so you could understand her tone, and then listen to Lindsay Lohan's and you're gonna be like, this is a Kelly Clarkson song. Okay, I had so much to say. What's happening? This is pretty, but I never use nude. My nude lip liner is red lipstick. Like, I want impact right away, but this is cute, and this is the darkest shade. Or maybe if you were using this lip liner, you probably wouldn't have so much foundation under it, but I have a few layers of foundation on. This was going to be a review of a certain movie that I just watched, but I guess that'll be the video that I film afterwards. And I'll put like a fading montage of the cover photo of that video right here. It's going to be, is Michael Myers transgender? My Halloween Kills movie review, in parentheses. Would you click on that? Oh, I love Honestly off Stronger. For all the 2 people that watch this, go listen to that album and pick a favorite song. It might change the way that you listen to music for the rest of your life. So this is my nude lips. If you can't see them, that's because they're nude. Take a breath and listen, listen. Standing in front of you. I like that one, standing in front of you. Take a breath and listen, listen. So this is you watching me get ready to film a movie review. So I'll see you over there. Peace out. Oh, I meant to do 2 peace signs. This might be the cover photo. Bye.